Good morning, students. This is Punit, your English teacher, and today it is our second lecture of English grammar. Basically, we are doing basics of English grammar. So let's continue. Yesterday, we were learning how to identify subject, verb, and object in the sentence. So we will be continue. Along with that, today, firstly, we will see the forms of be. Be is the base form and its further forms in present are, is, am, and are. These are the be forms in present tense. Was and were. These are the be forms in past. Been and being. These are also the be forms. Been is used in perfect tense and being is used in continuous tense. So let's continue here. Yesterday we read that how to identify subject, verb and object. Now see the first sentence. Rahul is singing a song. So how do we detect the subject? When we have the doer of the action. So we see here Rahul is the doer of the action singing. So that means Rahul is the subject. Is singing, is the helping verb and singing is the main verb. Right. So from verb to what or whom's answer is called object. So Rahul is singing what? Rahul is singing a song. Song is the object. Let's go to the next sentence. A song was sung by Amit. A song is the receiver of the actions in passive voice and was sung by Amit. Sung is the verb. Now by is the preposition and Amit is the noun which is the object of preposition by, and that is called prepositional object. Amit is the prepositional object. See the next sentence also. The parcel has been sent by Ajay. So here the parcel is the receiver of the action and has been sent. Has been sent means the parcel has been sent by Ajay. Ajay is the object of this preposition. So here we understood subject, the doer, and subject, the doer, verb is the action, and object is the receiver of the action. In the second or third sentence, we received the subject is the receiver of the action and the object is here of preposition. So let's see now how can we identify be. When be is used in active voice, it is carrying with the ing form, that is be plus ing form. When it is used in passive voice, be is followed by third form, and when inactive another be is not followed by verb, that's called the complement, right? So let's see, when it is used in continuous tense, we see Sumit is playing a cricket. Sumit is playing what? A cricket. Mother is cooking. Mother is cooking what? The food. So is playing, is cooking. These are used be's form in continuous tense basically with ing form. We can say this in active voice. Right everyone? But when it is used in passive voice, we will see be plus third form. Right? Like we have seen in the second form, a song was sung. So was is the past form of be and this is the third form. When be is followed by third form, it will be the passive, right? So let's go to the next. We have some exercise sentences. 2-3 sentences we have taken as an exercises. Now see the question solved very easily by Ajay. A word is omitted in the sentence. Can we find out? We need to see the question is the doer or the receiver of the action. So what we find, the question is the receiver of the action. So what we need to find, when the receiver subject becomes the receiver, that means that is the passive and it requires the form of be basically. So what is missing? Be form is missing here in the sentence. So what will we write here? We will write here was. The question was solved very easily by Ajay. By is the preposition and Ajay is the prepositional object. Right everyone? So be form was missed. Now you see the next sentence. Rohan has been solved the question. This is what we need to understand. The subject is the receiver or the doer. So what we find here that Rohan is the doer of the action, right? So when Rohan is the doer of the action, the sentence will remain in active voice. So here the form of this sentence is in passive voice. So what will we do? We will remove the be form from the sentence. So Rohan has solved the question becomes the correct sentence. Now the third sentence we have with us, the traffic rules should follow by everyone. What is this? There is a word omitted in the from the sentence. The traffic rules. Traffic rules is the receiver of the action or the doer of the action. So what we find basically, the traffic rules is the receiver of the action. So what is missed here? Form of be is missed. So what we write here, traffic rules should be, and third form followed. The traffic rules should be followed by everyone. So dear students, this is the second lecture where we complete how to understand subject, verb and object in the sentence. Now we are able to understand active voice and passive voice. Thank you very much for this, and next will be continue with the next lecture.